Hello CSR aspirants. So this is day 2. We are going to study the causes of cancer, which is first is physical agent, second is chemical agent, and third one is biological agent. So today we are going to see what are the factors that including in the subtopics of physical agents, chemical agents, and biological agents. Okay. So in the physical agent, as you can see, it includes radiation which directly affects the DNA. Means radiation is the factor which is a physical act as a physical agent. Okay. Now the second point is chemical agent. It includes direct carcinogen which affects DNA structure like benzene, benzopyrene, which causes leukemia. Now the other examples of carcinogen which affects the DNA structures, like as we already seen that benzene and benzopyrene which causes leukemia. Now the second chemical or carcinogen is vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride causes liver cancer. Heavy metal. Heavy metal causes prostate cancer, or which includes the nickel and cadmium due to the nickel and cadmium. Asbestos causes lung cancer and nasopharyngeal cancer. Now, fifth point is smoking. Smoking causes lung cancer. A fungal metabolite known as aflatoxin is produced by Aspergillus flavus. It is also this is also a chemical agent which is a carcinogen for the body. So yeah, so these are the agents that causes cancer. Now we will move towards biological agent. Before starting that, some points are left under the chemical agents, that the aflatoxin. Basically, aflatoxin is an indirect carcinogen, which is metabolized into aflatoxin 2,3 epooxide. It causes liver cancer by promoting guanine to thymine transversion. So basically, it is indirect carcinogen because aflatoxin 2,3 epoxide it is metabolized in this compound. Now other thing is signaling molecule under chemical agents. So first signaling molecule is phospholester. Phospholester is a tumor promoter. It promotes a tumor, and it is also responsible for promoting constitutive activation of protein kinase C. Constitutive means always. The second signaling molecule is estrogen. It is steroid hormone which promotes tumor by causing hyperproliferation of uterine endometrium cells, and it is also responsible for breast cancer development. Okay, so basically breast cancer is caused by three signaling pathway, that is estrogen when estrogen cells signaling or estrogen signaling increases. Second one is when progesterone signaling is increased, and third one is HER2 cells or RTK signaling is which is the receptor of RTK, and in this RTK signaling increases. All of that, progesterone shows the antagonist effect of estrogen signaling. One more point is noted down here, that tamoxifen is antagonist of estrogen. Progesterone is also antagonist of estrogen signaling. Now herceptin is usually given in breast cancer for the treatment, especially in the if RTK signaling is increasing. Herceptin is nothing but monoclonal antibody. Okay. Now, when these three signaling not happen, then these occur, that triple negative cancer. Triple negative cancer is means when estrogen, progesterone, and HER2 is absent, then JAK-STAT signaling is increased. One more thing, in breast cancer, BRCA1 and BRCA2, which is a tumor suppressor and which is useful in DNA repair, actually it is mutated in breast cancer. So that is why breast cancer can occur by upregulation of ER signaling, PR signaling, and RTK signaling. That is HER2 signaling. Okay. Now we'll see some description of that tamoxifen. Tamoxifen is a structure, as we already seen, is a structural antagonist of ER hormone and used in chemotherapy for ER positive cancerous cells. Herceptin, it is a monoclonal antibody against HER2 receptor and used to inhibit RTK signaling. Now, triple negative cancers. What is triple negative cancer? It is the rarest form of cancer. Treatment is not available and therefore surgical removal of tissue is done. So, signaling reported during triple negative cancer. So, these are the important points you can note down for the breast cancer especially. Now, biological agent. Biological agent. Different types of virus are responsible for causing cancer. So, in biological agent, three things are happen. DNA tumor virus, RNA tumor virus, bacteria, and etc. Okay. So, under the DNA tumor virus, so these are the example that we are going to see. First is hepatitis B virus. Actually, it is a small DNA virus responsible for causing liver cancer. In this, X gene of hepatitis B virus is responsible for promoting cell growth proliferation. The second DNA tumor virus is Epstein-Barr virus. It belongs to the herpes virus family and causes Burkitt lymphoma or B-cell lymphoma. LMP protein of Epstein-Barr virus limits the B-cell growth receptor and therefore promotes B-cell cancer, which also called Hodgkin lymphoma. Adenovirus. Normally, it does not transform a cell into a cancerous cell. It promotes cancer development. It encodes E1A and E1B protein, which inhibits RB and P53 proteins respectively. Now, fourth virus is papillomavirus. It is also a DNA tumor virus. It causes cervical cancer. Cervical cancer. It encodes E6 and E7 protein, which inhibits P53 and RB, that is retinoblastoma, respectively. Now, the second biological agent is RNA virus. For example, first one is retrovirus. And under the retrovirus, there are two examples. First is HTLV, which is human T cell lymphotrophic virus. It belongs to HIV family, causes hyperproliferation of T cells. Disease is also known as adult T cell leukemia. The second one is Rous sarcoma virus. First viral oncogene was discovered in Rous sarcoma virus known as VIS SRC. It causes sarcoma in humans and mice by transforming muscle cell. In bird, it causes leukemia, that is blood cancer. Now the second example of rhinovirus is simian virus, which is SV40, usually infect monkey and causes non-Hodgkin lymphoma. It infects two different type of cells, permissive cells and non-permissive cells. Permissive cell, in this cell, upon infection, cell lysis occur. In non-permissive, viral genome will be integrated on the host genome and transformation occurs. Now, the third example is hepatitis C virus. It is a arenavirus which causes liver cancer. There we have learned hepatitis B virus, which is a DNA tumor virus. But hepatitis C virus is a RNA virus. Point noted. Third, the biological agent is bacteria. Okay. So, gram-negative bacteria known as Helicobacter pylori causes stomach cancer and promotes liver and cervical cancer also. So, that's all about the causes of cancer. Thank you so much. Happy learning. We'll see in day 4.